This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your history, cookies, and cache in the Google Chrome web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Google Chrome web browser. To delete your browsing history, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the little three-dot menu. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Privacy and Security. And I'm going to tap on Privacy and Security. Then right up top here, Delete Browsing Data. I'm going to tap on Delete Browsing Data. And from this screen, right in here, Time Range, I'm going to tap on Time Range. I can choose between the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. That's how long back you want to go with your deletions. I'm just going to leave it on the last 15 minutes, which means just the data from the last 15 minutes will be deleted. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Browsing Data, and I'm going to tap on Browsing Data. From here, I'll select what I want deleted. The stuff with the check mark next to it means that's going to be deleted. My browsing history tabs, cookies and site data, cached images and files, save passwords, autofill data. I'm going to toggle on save passwords and autofill data. I'm going to tap on confirm. Then I'm going to tap on delete data. And that's it. That is how to delete all your browsing data on the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.